Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. If you would win a man to your cause, first convince him that you are his sincere friend. Perhaps a man's character is like a tree, and his reputation like its shadow. The shadow is what we think of it, the tree is the real thing. I am not concerned that you have fallen, I am concerned that you rise. When I'm getting ready to reason with a man, I spend 1/3 of my time thinking about myself and what I am going to say, and 2/3 thinking about him and what he is going to say. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other. Don't worry when you are not recognized, but strive to be worthy of recognition. I'm a success today because I had a friend who believed in me and I didn't have the heart to let him down.